Hello, today we will guide you through how to view all invoices in QuickBooks Desktop. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go and which filters to use so you can see every invoice in one place. We'll move at a steady pace and explain what you're seeing on screen so you can follow along confidently. Start by opening QuickBooks and signing in to your company. Once you're in, head to the Sales area. Depending on your layout, this may appear in a navigation panel or menu, and it's where QuickBooks groups everything related to selling: customers, products and services, and importantly, your invoices. Hover over or select Sales to reveal the available options, then choose Invoices. This takes you to the main invoice list, which displays key details such as customer names, due dates, current status, and remaining balances. Think of this page as your command center for invoice tracking. At the top of the invoice list, locate the Date filter. This drop-down lets you narrow or broaden the time frame of invoices that appear. If you're looking for a specific period, pick a preset such as today, this month, last 30 days, or a custom range. If your goal is a comprehensive review, lean toward a wider window, like this fiscal year or all dates, so nothing is excluded by accident. Choosing the appropriate date range ensures that older invoices, recently issued ones, and anything in between are all included. Next, find the status filter near the same toolbar. This filter controls which types of invoices are shown based on their current state. For example, paid, unpaid, or open, and overdue. To make sure you see everything in a single unified list, open the Status dropdown and select All. This is the key step that removes any status-based limits, so invoices that are fully paid, partially paid, pending, or overdue all appear together. The list will refresh automatically to reflect your selections. You should now be viewing all invoices that match your chosen dates across every status. If the list feels long, that's expected when you include everything. The benefit is complete visibility. When you're done, remember which filters you set, so you can adjust them later to focus on a shorter period or a specific status. And that's it. Go to Sales, open Invoices, set the date range you need, and change status to all to see every invoice in one place.